أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
I am presenting you a tried and tested method for making finger licking good food, which is going to be a great benefit to all of you, without a doubt. Dearest viewers, whenever you cook food at any time in your day, at the time of cooking, move your spoon in the pan in the rightward direction and keep on reciting the given Durood Sharif continuously while doing it. Sallallahu ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. You will experience that with this act, the food that you cook will be much more delicious and appetizing than it normally is. In addition to being sacred as well, your guests or pretty much anyone who will eat this food will not only lick the plate off but their fingers as well.
صدق الله